What do you think of Chinese people? We really admire and respect the Chinese people. They have a 5,000-year-old culture. They are a very cultured people, hardworking and realistic. 你如何看待中国人民？我们非常钦佩和尊重中国人民，他们拥有5000年的文化，是一个非常有文化素养的民族，勤劳且务实。